Let's try to solve some simple problems related to the concepts that we have learned. Problem 1. Write the sentence, quote, "If it rains, then I will not go out without an umbrella," unquote, as a propositional formula and indicate its main connective. Solution. The atomic parts are "it rains" and "I will go out without an umbrella." These are atomic in the context of propositional logic because we cannot build them from smaller parts by means of not, and, or, if then, and if and only if. The sentence is of the form P0 implies not P1. Its main connective is implication. We see here clearly that propositional logic simplifies natural language sentences substantially. But in the propositional logic, we only want to get the logical structure of the sentence, and even so, only the structure that pertains to the structure that propositional logic is capable of handling. Write the sentence, "If y prime equals ax plus by, then y double prime equals ax prime plus by prime," as a propositional formula and indicate its main connective. Solution. The atomic parts are y prime equals ax plus by and y double prime equals ax prime plus by prime. These atomic parts clearly have their internal structure as equations, but this structure is not one that propositional logic focuses on. The sentence is of the form P0 implies P1. Its main connective is implication. Write the sentence, "If the door is not closed or the train is at a station, the green light is on," as a propositional formula and indicate its main connective and immediate subformulas. Solution. This is a good example of the use of implication in natural language. The atomic parts of the sentence are P0, the door is closed; P1, the train is at a station; P2, the green light is on. The sentence is of the form left parentheses not P0 or P1, right parentheses, implies P2. Its main connective is implication, and its immediate subformulas are left parentheses not P0 or P1, right parentheses, and P2. Write the sentence, "Either A buys Z and Z does not buy U, or else B buys both Z and U," as a propositional formula and indicate its main connective and immediate subformulas. Solution. The atomic parts are P0, A buys Z; P1, Z buys U; P2, B buys Z; P3, B buys U. The sentence is of the form left parentheses P0 and not P1, right parentheses, or left parentheses P2 and P3, right parentheses. Its main connective is disjunction, and its immediate subformulas are left parentheses P0 and not P1, right parentheses, and left parentheses P2 and P3, right parentheses. Here we have used either or else both in natural language to indicate where the parentheses should go, because the mere A buys Z and Z does not buy U, or B buys Z and B buys U would be ambiguous, or at least could be ambiguous.